creating a soil environment that is nutrient-rich, alive with a diversity of beneficial bacteria and fungi, and improves moisture retention and aeration is key to achieving a garden with strong, healthy plants. This is where a good quality compost can make all the difference. CHOCKABLOK is a super compost and is literally chock-a-block full of nutrition, humates and biologicals. It contains no green waste, which ensures consistent, high-quality compost all year round. Before applying, pull out any weeds. Then simply spread the compost evenly over the topsoil to the desired depth and work in well to the topsoil with a shovel, rake or your hands. Each bale goes a long way, covering up to 4 meters squared, depending on how much you apply. You can find the recommended rates on the back of the bale. Once it's incorporated into the soil, give it a good water to help it settle in, and better yet, boost it with an advanced biological like go-go juice or sea mungus. CHOCKABLOK works to improve soil structure by enhancing aeration and drainage while still retaining valuable moisture. It also stimulates microbial activity, helping to break down organic matter and improve nutrient availability for plants. Visit the Nutrog website for more information or call into your local garden centre to shop the Nutrog range.